Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to look at the Hyperikon LED T8 lights. Did I pronounce that right? I'm not sure. On my main channel, Bullshit Corner, people have been talking about, since in Canada it gets pretty cold, that the annoyance of the fluorescent lights flickering in the wintertime. I'm actually going to show you right here. I'm hoping the camera can pick up the two outside bulbs there. You know, for a couple things in the wintertime here in Canada, coming outside to the garage, turning on those lights, takes a long time for them to warm up, and most times if it's like -20, they just won't light at all, which is kind of pointless if I need to come outside to the garage. The LEDs, of course, are not affected by that, and these ones I got can work with or without a ballast. The best part about these though is that Amazon screwed up, because originally I'd ordered 8 bulbs just to test, and if they turned out to be good I was going to get more, but this is what Amazon sent me. So instead of 8 bulbs, they sent me 2 cases, 48 bulbs for the price of 8. Now that's what I call winning. However, there have been a couple duds. And those duds I put on the side here, I put them in, they fired up once and stopped, but they look like they're pretty easy to disassemble, so I'm going to do a separate video on those, taking them apart and see if we could find out what the issue is. So I already got the LEDs installed here, here, and there. So let's get rid of these old fluorescent tubes, and then sometime later on I'm going to have to dispose of them at the fire department. So here's the info right here for everybody. Hyperikon, watts, 18, 4000 K Kelvin, voltage 100 to 277 volts, electricity 0.2 amps, frequency 50 to 60 hertz. Suitable for damp locations, do not use with dimmers. This lamp may be powered directly from the branch circuit. So the bulbs I took out, the fluorescent bulbs, are rated at 40 watts a piece, so 160 watts per side. These ones here are 18, so each bank or each light fixture is using less than half the power. That's actually quite a bit, especially if you're having the lights on a long time, like all day. It'll add up. 4 LEDs are in there. Let's get ready to hit the switch, see if they all light up. Uh-oh. Looks like we got a situation here. Maybe that ballast is bad. Never mind, they all flickered then lit up. Maybe that ballast is getting bad. I have the option, if it goes, to replace the ballast. I removed the ballast because these lights, obviously, I bought them because you could use both. Let's do a test, turn them off, turn them back on. Now those ones on that far end are flickering. I wonder if they will eventually light. Two of them lit. Those other 2 should fire up. They're all lit now. And they give some nice light too. Camera doesn't really show just how nice the light is, but definitely really brightens up things from the fluorescent tubes. Well, I'm going to test these tubes for a while. Probably give them about a good month or so. See if I have any issues with them, because no sense, you know, going off on a review on how good they are when you first get them, because a couple weeks, a month down the road, they could crap out. Anyways, I'm going to end the video here. Later on in the future, I just may take out the ballast and wire them directly. We're going to see about that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video on these lights. I'll talk to you guys later.